Hello friends, this is Caroline of Caroline's Plans. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. Thank you to those of you who already subscribed to this channel. If you are new here, please consider liking and subscribing. We're very close to 150 subscribers on this channel, and I would love to reach that next milestone goal for my channel. Speaking of goals, I am here today to share with you my 2021 New Year's goals, as well as my January 2021 goals specifically. I decided to combine these goals spreads into one video just for ease of editing and uploading, and I thought it might be nice to have a bit of a longer goals video for you all to watch that includes 2 spreads. So as you can see, we're starting here with my 2021 overarching New Year's goals, and you can see that the theme that I've gone for is pretty pink and girly, and I've also tried to pull in as much hollow and sparkly hollow foil as possible, and to use those colors as my foil accents for this spread. My sort of word for the year, phrase for the year, I think is going to center around being present, or kind of living in the present moment, particularly as that relates to work and sort of my introspection and moments of gratitude. I want to take the time to be present in those grateful moments, and also to pay close attention to my experience in the virtual classroom, trying to ensure that I am fully present during our live sessions, both with the large class group as well as with my one-on-one sessions. I think I'm doing pretty well with this so far. The only thing that I do struggle with is, since everything has transitioned to online and virtual, sometimes it's a bit of a struggle for me to connect with the students, just because I'm trying to look at 18 faces and that of my assistant on one screen. It's hard to connect. So really taking the time to be present and continue to build those connections, even though we are at a distance. So I'm also very much still focused on helping my new little kitty George acclimate to our home. He has been with us for exactly 1 month yesterday. I'm recording this voiceover on the 23rd of December. We brought him home on the 22nd of November, so we've had him for just over a month. And one of my main priorities is continuing to help him acclimate to his new surroundings and adjust. As you can see, I am pulling in a little bit of rose gold foil here. I really just wanted to use up these boxes from Planning World, just because the pinkish mauve-y hues really complemented this spread well, and I just used those boxes to write in some quotes that resonate with me. on to my second goals spread of this video. This is my January 2021 specific goals in the same categories. I really like how this spread turned out. The checkboxes are leftovers from Glam Planner. The headers, these sort of teal bow headers, are from Elizabeth Plans. I got those headers, as well as the full boxes that I included to decorate the spread in a freebie, like I said, from Elizabeth Plans. The headers came from a Glam Planner grab bag, and the snowflake overlay in gold is from Scribble Prints Co. Both of them are. The hanging bow overlays and little bow corner overlay on the girl full box are all from Sadie Stickers. The gold scalloped headers on white paper above the full boxes are also from Sadie Stickers. All of those things came from Rachel of Gathered Plans freebie with Sadie Stickers. Let's see. There I'm just pulling in a layering piece from Bella Rosa Co. off of a blue transparent freebie that I had from them. I enjoyed pulling in these layering pieces to help me sort of blank out some of the hearts in the heart checklists to make more room visually for the icons and deco pieces I wanted to include in the spread. The work script there in black is from Scribble Prints Co. If you do have any questions as to where any of the specific stickers are from, feel free to leave them in a comment below. Excuse me. I will have as many shops as I can linked below. I think I have made a note of all of the shops that I used throughout the spread, so I should be able to list them all in the description box. The quarantine script came in a noobs bag from Murdoch Talks. Those icons there, the face mask and the home icon, came from a gold freebie from Station Stickers. The gold laptop is from Murdoch Talks, and the work from home script is from the same Station Stickers freebie. I'm just repositioning that quote box down a little bit further. Well, I sort of made my own work from home quote box. That blue half box is from a sampler from Scribble Prints Co., as is that gold workout script. Those 3 workout icons are from a sampler sheet from Murdoch Talks. The scale is from Harriet Wright Designs, and the booked script at the bottom of my intellectual box is from Fox and Pip, and that little Dumbledore emoji is from the Coffee Monsters Co. I really love how this spread turned out. Thank you so much for watching. Peace, love, and happy planning, everyone. Bye-bye.